What up, everybody? This is MoPro coming at you once again, and I want to show you a little something on this Rambler hunt. Well, here's all the bolts for my engine. Now I got to put them back in order and clean the tops of them, the heads and the tips. Probably gonna use a little bit of this right here to lube it up. I'm gonna get my sander out and start sanding all the tips, tops of each one, so we can pretty much start putting this back together again. Let's get over here so you can see what's going on. Yeah, so we gotta get ready to put this bad baby back together. So it's already cleaned and shined up and ready to go. You know, so I gotta get the bolts, hook up everything. I got the headers over here. TPIs need to be re-cleaned, and I think I'm gonna get a new one for the injectors. I think I'm gonna get a new one. You know something? I would like to know what you guys think on which one would be a good one. I didn't see the BK, I didn't see the Edelbrock, and I didn't see the Holly. So I'm trying to figure out which would be the better tune port to get that done. Like I said, let me finish putting these back in order. I got my headers right over there, and brand new oil pan came in, brand new pump that came in, so that's all ready to go. Ready to go start putting this back together. So I just wanted to leave a quick note. I didn't want to leave anybody hanging on this motor. This motor is just so pretty. So pretty when they brand new. When they brand new and they ain't got nothing on them, they're just so pretty to me. Everything looks all hit real nice, real cool. Anyways, yeah. So the under casing's ready. Let's put everything in there. But this is a MoPro coming at you once again. Peace on the Rambler hunt. Let me show y'all how it works. You line them up, right? You take a little bit of this. Now pretty much we're just gonna let them sit here and enjoy this oil. Then after it finishes enjoying all the good juicy oil, we'll clean them up with a little wire brush. Yeah. Get you one of these. This is the one that's been wore out. Get it from Harbor Freight. Comes in handy. You know what I'm saying?